What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background from images using AI in Affinity. So if you want to use the Canva AI to remove background for images, this is super easy to do. All you have to do is go ahead and add your images within Affinity. So I'm going to click on File on the upper left right here, and I'm going to just go ahead and use the Place tool and select an image that I want to remove the background for. So I'm going to find something a bit more basic. As you can see, let me just scroll down and find a very easy image. So let's say I'm going to use this image right here of this baby. Click on the baby, click on Open, and I'm going to just click place right here, and as you can see, I have this image of this baby. Now to remove the background, simple click on the image, then click Canva AI on the upper left hand side, as you can see, and then on the upper right you'll find remove BG right here, to remove background. Click on that and you will see quickly use the AI to remove background from your image. And that's how easy it is, guys. Have a look at that. Very easy and very simple how to use Canva AI to remove background in Affinity.